G'day! Do you sometimes get frustrated because native speakers don't understand you when you're speaking English? Or maybe you are embarrassed to speak English because you're not sure of your pronunciation. Well, today we're going to look at one part of pronunciation that will really improve with speaking English and improve your confidence too. It's word stress. There are 3 reasons why word stress is really important in English. 1, where you put the stress on a word can change the meaning of that word. 2, if you put the stress on the wrong syllable in the word, it might sound like a different word. 3, if you put the stress on the wrong syllable, it might not sound like an English word at all. 1, 2, 3. 3 good reasons why it's important to learn how to say a word properly. Let's look at this a little more closely. 1. Word stress can change the word form. With many 2-syllable words that have the same spelling, changing the stress changes the word from a noun to an adjective or a noun to a verb. For example, a record is a noun, but to record something is a verb. Record, record. Same word, different stress, different meaning. A present is a noun, or to be present is an adjective. But to present something, to give something, is a verb. Present, present. Same word, different stress, different meaning. 2, if you put the word stress on the wrong syllable, may sound like something completely different. For example, I am happy. If you say I am happy, it might sound to a native speaker like you are saying I am a pea, which doesn't make much sense to anybody. 3, if you put the word stress on the wrong syllable, it might not sound like an English word at all. For example, what's this? It's a pretty pattern. It's a pattern. Pattern. If you said it's a pattern, a native speaker would find it very difficult to understand what you're saying because the word pattern doesn't exist in English. So you see, word stress, that is how you say a word properly, might seem like a really small thing, but it could be the difference between being understood and total confusion. So, what can you do about word stress? Well, every time you learn a new word, you need to learn the word stress too. You need to know how to say the word properly. Dictionaries often show the word stress using an apostrophe before the stressed syllable, like this. And when you write down new words, new vocabulary, make sure you mark where the word stress is. Now you can do that by underlining it, or you can put a dash across the top, or highlight it. There are many ways to show word stress. Just pick one that works for you. Thirdly, listen to native speakers. You can listen to people around you, or you can listen on YouTube or television or movies. Listen to how they say the words and copy them. And always practice saying words out loud, not just in your head. That way you get used to speaking English and you get used to hearing yourself speak English as well. Excellent. So keep practicing and I'll see you later. Bye.